Attica and Peloponnese. We prepared for you just to taste three small delicacies, one each destination. So, from Creta, we have fava, yellow split peas, with caramelized onion, white onion, and crusette of snails. And from Attica, we have wine leaves stuffed with rice and vegetables. This is typical Greek mezes, and with yogurt sauce. And with Chef Manolis, we are going to present you a salad from wheat, dry fruits, apricots, raisins, plums, whatever you want, pomegranate, grapes, extra virgin olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and a little bit of honey. And this is marinated pork. We baked it in the oven so it's crispy. It's from Messinia. So this salad is from Peloponnese. Manolis now is going to mix all the ingredients together and fix the salad.